Lying shepherd, الراعي الكاذب. Once upon a time, in a small village at the foot of the mountain, a young shepherd lived there. His job was looking after the villagers' sheep. Every morning, he'd take the sheep to the mountain to eat grass, then come back in the evening. One day, while he was bored, he said,
I'm bored. What should I do? I have an idea. Why not have a little fun by banking the villagers? Help! Help! There is a wolf who wants to devour your sheep.
What is the wolf? What is he?
Follow me. Ha ha ha! I was joking.
On the next day,
Help! Help! There is a wolf who wants to devour your sheep.
What is the wolf? What is he?
Follow me. Ha ha ha! I was joking.
one day a huge wolf appeared among the rocks and started to attack the sheep. The shepherd immediately shouted,